You're welcome back to my space. I hope you're all doing wonderfully well because today I'm gonna share with you a very delicious snack from Ghana which is called meat pie. I know you love it. If today is your first time being here, you're warmly welcome. I say akwaba to you. Please consider subscribing because I'm gonna bring you more amazing videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, oh my goodness, you are the best. Alrighty, let's start the video. These are the simple ingredients I'm gonna use to make my pie dough. So the flour, butter, baking powder, and then this is a mixture of milk and water. Yeah, I'm just going to mix the dry ingredients. That's flour, salt, and baking powder. Yeah, mix it all up. And then gradually add the butter because it might become too soft and I may not get the required texture that I want. So I finally got the texture that I want, and as you can see, I used all the butter. Yes, so at this point I'm just going to add the milk, the mixture of milk and water to it to help me form a dough. And I'm going to do this gradually as well because you don't want too much liquid in this. Adding too much water makes the pie really hard, and we don't want that. We want a flaky, soft, yummy pie. So that's why I use milk. Yeah. After forming the dough, I'll give it a quick knead for about 2 minutes. And then I'll divide it into 3 parts. Keep it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. And this will let the dough relax and set very well. So while the dough is having a vacation, let's go and make our filling. I've got my chopped onions, corned beef, carrots, which I'm going to grate, cumin seeds, rosemary, white pepper, and then curry powder, and salt. So basically this process is a very quick one because we don't want to overcook the vegetables. So after frying the onions and the carrots, we add our cabbage, add the corned beef immediately just for it to, cook a little bit, mix them together. Add the spices and then voila, we are done. I like to divide my filling into equal portions before I start so that at least I know the number of meat pies I'm going to make with this filling. So I'm just going to roll out the dough and shape it. You can use any round shape in your kitchen and yeah, you're good to go. This particular object is not too sharp, so I decided to cut it with a knife. But if you have a sharp object, that's perfect. I'll use this to brush the edge of the pie dough so that it can stick firmly and properly. And then I'll egg wash the pie with it. It gives it a shiny, beautiful look. I combined all the pieces of dough left, and we're not going to throw it away, okay? It is worth it. That's my pie. Yep, so our meat pie is all well and good. I'm going to bake it at 300 degrees Celsius. Your oven needs to be hot before you put in this. Wow, hello. Just look at that. Golden brown, beautiful, ready, hot, flaky, crispy, yummy, delicious, name it. This pie is so delicious. I want you to try it and let me know how it goes, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you want to see more, please click on that red subscribe button. It's gonna do me so much good, and I'm gonna bring you more amazing videos. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to share it to your friends and family to try this. And don't forget that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step. So take a meaningful step today. Ciao!